Hello everyone, we are back, and this time with a unexpected update. Spartan UI 5.2. 5.2 is going to introduce one new module and a upgrade to the new nameplate module that was introduced in 5.1. So let's hop right in with what it will be like when you first sign in after installing the 5.2 update. When you first sign in, you will be greeted with the Taunt Watcher setup screen. The Taunt Watcher is a true watcher. It is not just an announcer. It will announce both enemy and friendly players taunting. You can even have it spit out what spell they're using to taunt. This will show up the first time you sign in on each character, unless you are using the same profile across multiple characters. The second feature of 5.2 is what the heck is this? That is some grade A pathing. This is just amazing. Anyways, so the next big upgrade, as you'll notice, is this Prowler here has a warrior icon above his head. There have been some nameplate changes. The icons are not enabled by default. You have to go in there and turn them on. And there are multiple settings for this. The nameplates have had a number of new settings added to them. Mainly, the background is now customizable. You can adjust the alpha of the background, how much it's faded in and out, whether it's solid or artwork. Right now, you are used to the artwork option. Solid is the new. And then right now, it just simply colors it based on faction. Red for Horde, blue on Alliance, and it does a gray for neutral mobs. Now you'll be able to color it by reaction as well. So enemies will be red, friendlies will be green, neutral will be yellow. The next main addition with nameplates is there are now some options for buffs on what is going to be shown and not shown. And you will now be able to add a class icon to the nameplates, customize their size and where they are on the frame. You'll also be able to customize where you see class icons. Do you want to see them on all, friendly, hostile, or only player controlled? And that Prowler is still going at it. So that's really it for 5.2. Not too much. I've been sitting on the Taunt Watcher code for quite a while and just decided to finish it up and get it out, and in order to clean up what I'm working on for 6.0. 5.2 does support Classic WoW. I was actually able to get quite a bit of work done during this last stress test event. One additional thing I was able to get in while I was on the stress test is I have actually reintroduced vendor prices to the tooltips. Those of you who remember playing in Classic WoW, there were not vendor prices in tooltips. So Spartan UI will add in the vendor price for the item, and it'll add in how much the stack, if it's a stackable item, vendors for. 5.2 will be flagged as a beta for Classic WoW, and it will not be considered release status. 6.0 will be the first release for Classic WoW. So just keep that in mind as you're running Classic WoW, and as you're having issues, please report those so that way I can get those fixed. But 6.0 will be considered the first version of Spartan UI that supports both versions.